In this exercise, which is really 12 in one, we just have to find the derivative for each of the functions. So, first one, f of x is equal to 4. And I'll remind you that the derivative of a constant, 4 or otherwise, is just 0. So here we write the derivative function, f prime of x, is equal to 0. Constant, 0. You have to remember that. Now number 2, g of x is e plus the square root of 2 all over 2. They're trying to confuse you here with all this e and square root and everything, but if you look at it, these are just numbers. E is a number, 2, square root, all numbers. We're still in the case of a constant, so that g prime of x is 0. Now in the third exercise, we have slightly different. We have that h of x is equal to x to the 4th, and now I need to say that the derivative of the function x to the n, if I differentiate it, it comes out as n x to the n minus 1. So in this case we get that the derivative function h prime is, put the 4 in front of the x and then lower the 4 by 1, 4x cubed. Don't worry, they'll get hard soon enough. Meanwhile, enjoy them while they're easy. Y equals 1 over x squared. What we can do here is actually bring it to this form, because if you remember 1 over, using your laws of exponents, for example 1 over a to the power of b in general is a to the power of minus b. If I use that here, then this thing will just be x to the minus 2.